Meaning of gammon.
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 Gammon. Gammon can have multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. In culinary terms, gammon refers to a type of cured ham that is usually served cooked as part of a meal. In British political slang, the term gammon is often used to describe middle-aged white men with conservative views. The term has been used to refer to individuals who may become overly emotional or angry when discussing issues such as Brexit, immigration, or political correctness. Overall, gammon is a versatile word that can refer to both food and people.